Hi guys, good evening. Welcome po ulit sa aking long form video. Once again, Junel Talents Agustin po. And for today's video, pag-usapan naman natin yung tanong ng iba sa mga content creator, no? Yung mga nare-restrict sa pagko-comment. Okay? So, ito basahin natin na. Why can't I comment on a Facebook live video? So, sa live ito, guys, The broadcaster of a live video has the ability to apply comment moderation settings that may limit a viewer's ability to comment on their live video. So, possible yan, may moderations na ginawa itong si host o yung owner nung live streaming, no. So, but in some cases, you may see one of the notifications below explaining why your comment was limited or blocked. Okay? So, ito yung mga common reasons, no? Common reasons, commenting may be limited or blocked. Ito na yung mga papasok dito, guys, yung restriction. Okay? So, una dito sa list natin is comment sent too quickly. Okay? Ang bilis natin mag-send ng mga comment. You can only comment once every 10 seconds. So guys, may time interval yung pagko-comment natin. Lalo na dito sa live, no? Dahil dagsa nga yung comments, lalo na sa mga sikat na creator, then hindi napapansin yung ating mga comments. So dinadamihan natin or binibilisan natin yung pagko-comment. So guys, nakalagay dito, kailangan pala ng time interval, no? 10 seconds every comment. Then, yung pangalawa dito is comment too short. Okay? Comments for this stream must be at least 100 characters. So guys, yung iba mahilig mag-comment ng numbers, no? Numbers lang. Lalo na kung nagpapa-games yung host, Tapos, isang word lang, then ang bilis pa natin mag-comment. So, isa yan sa mga reason bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng restriction or nare-restrict tayo sa pagko-comment. Pangatlo dito is follow streamer to comment. You must follow this streamer before you can leave a comment. So, ibig sabihin, dapat naka-follow ka doon sa host. Okay? So, hindi ba basta papasok yung iyong comment kung hindi ka naka-follow doon mismo sa creator. Then, may nakalagay din dito, this stream is using protected mode. You can join the conversation once you follow the broadcaster for at least 15 minutes. Next is, you can't comment yet. You can join this conversation as soon as you've had this account for 2 weeks or more. O kung ikaw ay bago pa lang, no? Bago pa lang yung account mo. So, possible na hindi ka makakapag-comment agad-agad. Support streamer to comment. You must subscribe to this page before you can leave a comment. So, sa mga page, diba, may nakalagay doon minsan subscribe or follow. So, dapat connected tayo sa kanila bago tayo makapag-comment. Pero yung mga binasa ko, guys, dun sa unahan is yun yung mga basic, no? Yan yung parang pinaka laging reason bakit tayo nare-restrict. So, yung may panghuli rito, no permission to add comment or trying to comment or delete on deleted post. The broadcaster may have limited your permission to add this comment or the original post may have been deleted. So, possible nga yan, deleted na rin yung video. So, but doon tayo mag-focus, no? Doon sa first three basic or common reasons. So, ayun nga, yung every 10 seconds dapat nasusunod natin yon at hindi mga words or numbers yung sinesend natin or kino-comment natin. So, nakalagay naman dyan at least 100 characters. Then, yung isa, dapat naka-follow po kayo. Okay? So, yan yung mga common reasons bakit hindi tayo makapag-comment. Okay. So, ayun, sana may apply natin ito, no, sa kapag nanonood tayo ng mga live stream. So, at least kahit papaano, maiwasan natin yung restriction or ma-restrict tayo sa pagko-comment dito sa live. Okay? So, ayun guys, sana may natutunan tayo. Kung hindi pa po kayo naka-follow, follow me for more videos para sa konting kaalaman. Thank you!